بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ایوری بڈی. ہمارے چائلڈہڈ میں اینڈ وین وی ور گروئنگ اپ تو ہم نے ایک گیم کیا کرتے تھے کہ جب بھی دیکھنا نا کہیں کوئی بجری کا پائل پڑا ہو کسی کنسٹرکشن سائٹ کے پاس تو اس بجری میں ہم ایک پتھر مارتے تھے اور وہ کسی بھی پتھر کو اس پائل میں لگتا تھا. ہم کہتے تھے دیٹ از واٹ آئی واز ایمنگ فار. تو ابھی بھی میں اپنا جب دیکھتا ہوں نا فار دا لاسٹ اباؤٹ 3-4 months اپلوڈنگ اباؤٹ کلوز ٹو 70 ویڈیوز تو آئی فیل دا سیم. مے بی وہ بجری کے پائل میں یہ بھی ویڈیو کسی اچھے اسپاٹ پہ لگ جائے اور پیپل ہو آر سپوزڈلی ٹیکنگ دا ڈیسیژنس فار پاکستان کرکٹ مے بی few of my suggestions might be capable. تو میں بھی if somebody picks up my suggestion تو میں بھی کہوں گا that is what I was aiming for. So this is how everything goes. As far as our cricket is concerned اس کا تو I don't know if we have any hopes کہ یہ واپس ٹھیک ہو جائے گی. My suggestion or whatever you can call it may be a request to Mr. Gary Kirsten and Mr. Gillespie is I don't know if you'll be able to save Pakistan cricket, but do us all one favor. Save Saud Shakeel. I mean, if you look at that guy's performance about 3 years ago, he was just a new entrant in Pakistan cricket, especially in the test side, and he had a fantastic average and a fantastic way of batting, and he was doing very well. His good luck, he went on a tour to Australia, and in that tour he came under the wings of Mr. Professor, who was the director cricket, and he was accompanying the team, and he tried to change the guy's batting style and completely ruined him. Now look at his luck that he's taking part in a domestic championship. He has been made a captain, and he is so lucky that he has got Sarfraz Ahmed as a mentor. Now, I have never had any problems with Sarfraz. I mean, nobody can doubt his dedication or his talent or his sincerity towards Pakistan cricket. But his problem has always been that he just does not know how to get the best out of his players. He's always been very jittery. He can't stay calm. That is the way he is. I mean, it's not his fault. That is the way he is. So now when I see this championship going, about 2 days ago or maybe yesterday, the Dolphins were playing the Lions, and Sarfraz was not playing in this team, but they were sitting in the balcony, and this guy was blasting Saud Shakeel even in the balcony. In that one match that he took part in, he was literally blasting the guy, putting the captain on, long off, away from the action. That is the way he is. So Mr. Kirsten and Mr. Gillespie, do us all a favor. As I said before, maybe you'll come through and create a miracle and save Pakistan cricket, but if you can't do that, do us all a favor and save Saud Shakeel. Pakistan cricket needs him. The way things are going, we are on the way of losing Babar Azam, but we might lose Saud Shakeel too, the most dependent bat we had. I hope, as I said before, maybe this video will hit the spot. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.